Hi, I'm Kathy.
And I'm Annie.
And we're the Thrive Life Sisters.
It's Father's Day,
Yeah.
and it's time to give him something very special. So today we're going to be making some dad pancakes
With some sauce and a manmosa.
So let's get started.
Okay, I'm gonna start with some sauce. I'm going to add some strawberries into a bag and crush it up to make a sauce for the pancakes.
And I have mixed up pancake mix, and I've used Thrive eggs. So I'm just going to put them in a Ziploc bag.
I like the Thrive eggs because I actually make up my batter. Oh.
Can you do me a favor? Nope, just use the spatula.
Okay.
And just scoop it all out so we don't waste any of it because we want to make like a dad pancake. There, very good. Thank you for the help. All right.
I like the Thrive eggs because then you can make up your batter ahead of time yourself. And
There we go.
And I get distracted and don't know what I was saying. Yeah, you make up batter and just keep it in a can. It's easy to make up your own pancake mix.
All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut the tip because I want to write dad on there. Actually, before I do that, I'm going to dad this. This is fun. All right. And then I'm going to cut the tip and I'm going to be able to write dad. And we're going to make him a dad pancake.
And so I just took the powder of the strawberries. I'm adding a little bit of water to the consistency I want. Now you can add sugar to this if you want to make it a bit sweeter of a sauce. But I'm not adding it because I like the tartness along with a little bit of our syrup. So.
All right, so Dad's gonna get his own pancake that says his name on it. That's so exciting. All right. So I'm just gonna cook that up. Just gonna turn up my heat a little bit. So hopefully I have a plate big enough to be able to put this dad on it.
That looks awesome.
It's pretty big though, isn't it?
I like that. Okay, and I'm going to make our virgin manmosa with a bit of Sprite.
Oh, you did that so good.
No overflow.
That's pretty good.
And I'm going to do it with some blueberries. Just some Thrive blueberries. The longer you let the blueberries sit, it will start. I'll grab a knife just to mix those in. I've got a few more. There we go.
Oh, that looks delicious.
Ooh, there we go. I had to have something overflow. And the blueberries will soften and the color will, as you can see, that looks so manly, right?
Okay, so now that the pancakes are done, I'm just gonna plate them. There's our dad pancakes.
I hope you enjoyed our video of our dad pancakes, and give us a thumbs up if you like this video.
And make sure you subscribe and ring the bell to get notified every time we post a new video. So happy Father's Day.
And remember,
You can do this too.